Let's talk about Linda Leather, a name that's popping up all over the internet, promising luxury bags at crazy discounts. But here's the truth. In 2026, Linda Leather isn't just a too-good-to-be-true deal. It's at the center of a major scam network. These sites, sometimes called My Leather Bags, Grace's Bags, or Davies Couture, use emotional tactics, like closing down sales or claiming to be a small family business in the UK or South Africa. But the reality? All those heartfelt stories are part of the scam. The people you see in their ads, like Grace or Linda, aren't even real. They're AI-generated faces, not actual business owners. And the products? Instead of receiving handcrafted leather, most customers get flimsy plastic knockoffs that barely resemble what was advertised. Trying to return your order? They'll tell you to send it back to China, and the shipping fees are so high, you might end up paying more than the bag itself. It's a classic move. Make the return process so difficult, you just give up. Now don't get these scam sites confused with legit businesses. There's Linda Leather's Original and Custom in Canada, an actual artisan shop. Or Linda & Co. in Australia, a trusted jeweler. Even Almada Label by Linda Juhola, featured in Marie Claire, is the real deal. So what can you do? If you've already bought from Linda Leather, don't panic. Just act fast. Contact your bank and ask for a chargeback under goods not as described or fraud. Stay sharp, shop smart, and remember, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is.